Hello everyone, this is me, Deboshmita Sarkar. Today I am going to start with a very recent topic, means yesterday only it went, which is Friendship Day. So let's begin. Friendship Day. Friendship Day, also International Friendship Day or Friends Day, is a day in several countries for celebrating friendship. It was first proposed in 1958 in Paraguay as the International Friendship Day. It was initially promoted by the greeting cards industry. Evidence from social networking sites shows a revival of interest in the holiday that may have grown with the spread of the internet, particularly in India, Bangladesh, and Malaysia. Mobile phones, digital communication, and social media have contributed to popularize the custom. Those who promote the holiday in South Asia attribute the tradition of dedicating a day in the honor of friends to have originated in the United States in 1935, but it actually dates back to 1919. The exchange of Friendship Day gifts like flowers, cards, and wristbands is a popular tradition on this occasion. Friendship Day celebrations occur on different dates in different countries. The first World Friendship Day was proposed for 30 July in 1958 by the World Friendship Crusade. On 27 April 2011, the General Assembly of the United Nations declared 30 July as official International Friendship Day. However, some countries like India celebrate Friendship Day on the first Sunday of August. In Nepal, Friendship Day is celebrated on 30 July each year. In Oberlin, Ohio, Friendship Day is celebrated on 9th April each year. History of Friendship Day. Friendship Day was originated by Joyce Hall, the founder of Hallmark Cards in 1930, intended to be 2nd August and a day when people celebrated their friendships by holiday celebrations. Friendship Day was promoted by the greeting card National Association during the 1920s but met with consumer resistance, given that it was too obviously a commercial gimmick to promote greeting cards. In the 1940s, the number of Friendship Day cards available in the US had dwindled and the holiday largely died out there. There is no evidence to date for its uptake in Europe. However, it has been kept alive and revitalized in Asia, where several countries have adopted it. In honor of Friendship Day in 1998, Nain Annan, wife of UN Secretary General Kofi Annan, named Winnie the Pooh as the World Ambassador of Friendship at the United Nations. The event was co-sponsored by the UN Department of Public Information and Disney Enterprises and was co-hosted by Kathie Lee Gifford. More about Friendship Day. Some friends acknowledge each other with exchange of gifts and cards on this day. Friendship bands are very popular in India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and parts of South America. With the advent of social networking sites, Friendship Day is also being celebrated online. The commercialization of the Friendship Day celebration has led to some dismissing it as a marketing gimmick. But nowadays it is celebrated on the first Sunday of August rather than 30th July. However, On 27 July 2011, the 65th session of United Nations General Assembly declared 30th July as International Day of Friendship. The idea of a World Friendship Day was first proposed on 20 July 1958 by Dr. Raymond Artemio Bracco during a dinner with friends in Puerto Pinasco, a town on the river Paraguay, but about 200 miles north of Asuncion, Paraguay. Out of this humble meeting of friends, the World Friendship Crusade was born. The World Friendship Crusade is a foundation that promotes friendship and fellowship among all human beings, regardless of race, color, or religion. Since then, 30 July has been faithfully celebrated as Friendship Day in Paraguay every year and has also been adopted by several other countries. The World Friendship Crusade was lobbied the UN for many years to recognize 30 July as World Friendship Day, and finally on 20th May, General Assembly of the UN decided to design it 30 July as the International Day of Friendship, and to invite all member states to observe the International Day of Friendship in accordance with the culture and customs of their local, national, and regional communities, including education and public awareness raising activities. Argentina, Brazil, Spain, and Uruguay. In Argentina, Brazil, Spain, and Uruguay, Friendship Day or Friends Day is celebrated on 20 July. It is a reason for a friendly gathering and greeting both current and old friends. It became a popular celebration thanks to Enrique Ernesto Febaro, an Argentinian dentist and Rotarian who had the idea to commemorate international friendship inspired by the day Neil Armstrong stepped on the moon. As an unifying gesture of friendship among nations, he sent 1,000 letters to contacts from the Rotary Club around the world, while the Apollo 11 was still in space and received 700 responses that kick-started the celebration. In Argentina, Friends Day has turned into a very popular mass phenomenon. For instance, in 2011, the amount of well-wishing messages and calls led to a breakdown of the mobile phone network in the sites of Buenos Aires, Mendoza, Cordoba, and Rosario, comparably to the one experienced in 2004 on Christmas and New Year's Day. Seats in most restaurants, bars, and other embellishments are often completely booked a week before this celebration. Bangladesh, Malaysia, India, Singapore, and UAE. In Bangladesh, India, Malaysia, and United Arab Emirates, Friendship Day is celebrated on the first Sunday of August every year. Youngsters celebrate by exchanging greetings, text messages, and timed friendship bands. Bolivia. In Bolivia, Friendship Day is celebrated on 23rd July. Ecuador, Mexico, and Venezuela. In Ecuador, Mexico, and Venezuela, Friendship Day is celebrated on 14 February, same as Valentine's Day. Estonia and Finland. In Finland and Estonia, Valentine's Day on 14 February is celebrated as Friends Day. Paraguay. In Paraguay, the eve of 30th July is used for giving presents to close friends and loved ones, and celebrations often take place in bars and nightclubs. The game of the invisible friend, Amigo Invisible, is considered a tradition in which small sheets of paper with names are given to all members of a group. Each of them secretly selects one and on July 30 gives a present to the person on the paper. This custom is practiced in both schools and workplaces in Asuncion and other Paraguay cities. Peru. Since 2009, Peru celebrates El Dia del Amigo on the first Saturday in July. This day was proposed by the beer brand Pilsen Kalau. The objective was to recognize true friendship and differentiate its celebration from Valentine's Day. United States on 15 February, the USA celebrates Friendship Day. So with this we came to the last slide, which is thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Happy Friendship Day to all of you.